ഉണരൂ ഉണരൂ നല്ല വീട്ടുകാരേ, ഉണരൂ ഉണരൂ പൊന്നു നാട്ടുകാരേ. ഉണരൂ ഉണരൂ നല്ല വീട്ടുകാരേ, ഉണരൂ ഉണരൂ പൊന്നു നാട്ടുകാരേ. വീടു വിട്ടിറങ്ങുവിൻ ശിരുപാട്ടുമായി, കൂടുവിട്ട പറവകൾ പോലെ കൂട്ടമായി കൂട്ടമായി സഹകരിക്കുവിൻ, വയൽ തിട്ടയിൽ അണിനിരക്കുവിൻ.
Kudumbashree means prosperity of families. This concept is the continuation of the community-based nutrition project CBNP and Poverty Elevation Program PAP, which was started on 1st November 1994 in Malappuram.
Saroja, these two ladies have come to join the group. This is the NHG secretary, Saroja.
Saroja is the secretary of the neighborhood group Swarna. The group meets every week to collect thrift money. Under Saroja's leadership, it has saved 39,500 rupees since its inception in April 2002. The members can dip into this fund to take a loan in their time of need.
Our group has 24 members. We started with 25 members on 6th April 2002. Nobody was willing to come forward to join this group. This is largely due to the social setup in Malappuram. We had to work really hard to convince them to join the group. Savings was always a dream for them. There are some members in our group who had never saved even a single paisa in their life before. These women have savings up to rupees 2,000 now. This is something that makes us very happy and gives us great satisfaction.
It wasn't easy for us to begin with. The villagers would wonder what we are up to. They would never figure it out initially. I told my colleagues to ignore all that and focus completely on the work. But now everyone knows what Kudumbashree is all about. And the same people who would earlier raise questions come to us now for widow pension, housing loans, allowances from the panchayat. It made us very happy. We take each problem as a challenge and become more determined to move on with more courage.
11 members from NHG Atira and a few others decided to start a canteen 3 years ago. All the members applied for a loan and was sanctioned an amount of 1,10,000 rupees. The canteen unit has now paid back the entire loan amount and earn up to 1,000 rupees per head per month. 3 marketing strategies are used to sell the products of the micro enterprises launched under Kudumbashree. The first is the simple barter system, under which the products of one unit are sold to another unit. Pushpa's canteen, for instance, buys coconut oil from the Kereshri unit run by Hasina and her team. The second strategy, called the Mother Micro Enterprise, comprises of selling the products of a unit to the panchayat with support from the CDS. The third strategy is to help NHGs put up stalls during festivals and fairs to sell their goods directly.
The money I earn, well, I have joined the LIC. At home, I support my husband when he needs help, like when he needs to repay a debt. I can now buy books, pens, clothes for my children.
As an individual, it's not just about the savings. I have also gained a lot of confidence. Now, I have the courage to go into any office and face anybody. I used to be very shy earlier, but now I have developed as a person.
After joining NFG, I have changed a lot. During my school days, I used to be an introvert. I had only one friend. But after joining Rose Energy, I attended several trainings and programs at various places. This gave me a lot of courage. Now wherever I go, I have the confidence that I can take care of myself.
ചർച്ചകൾ തുടങ്ങിടാം തൊഴിലുകൾ ചെയ്തിടാം ദാരിദ്ര്യം നീക്കിടാം ഒത്തുപിടിച്ചാൽ മലയും പോരും ഒന്നു നനച്ചാൽ വഴിയും കാണും ഉണരൂ ഉണരൂ നല്ല വീട്ടുകാരെ ഉണരൂ ഉണരൂ പൊന്നു നാട്ടുകാരെ